Estamos llegando al Hoover Dam. Wow. Estamos llegando al Hoover Dam.
Oh.
Morning.
No. Camera. There's a camera. There's a camera.
Why, Kurt? Hey, Stevie.
Hey. Ready?
Where are we?
Ow.
Stevie is crying.
I'm not crying. My leg hurts. I'll do that after that fight. Ow.
We park right here.
And as soon as I lost, always next year I can win.
Oh, we'll have to walk. Let's go.
Oh, wow. Here's a walk.
Yeah. See?
What's the level one?
Level one. Okay.
Oh, 40.
Foot against. Visitor center and tours. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go right here. We're doing the tour and the movie.
Striker.
Everyone, it'll be a short ride for us. We go up only 32 feet on this trip. Okay, everybody, we are here. Follow me, please.
In there. Do you like it, Spur?
Don't push. They give me electric you. You're not electric you.
Wow. See?
Come on in, everyone. You can go anywhere on the balcony, anywhere along the rail where you like the view. You want to take some pictures? There's some seats here along the back wall if you'd rather sit. And there's a water fountain straight ahead. Welcome to the Hoover Dam power plant. The power plant is a U-shaped building at the base of the dam on its downstream side. This is where the force of water from the Colorado River is converted into electricity. On our first stop, we were down at the level of that floor below us, on the other side of that concrete wall to the right. That's where that penstock pipe is located. There are two wings or big rooms like this in the power plant. One is in Nevada, that's where we are now. And there's a second wing like this across the river in Arizona to our left. The dam itself is behind us, everybody. It's on the other side of this. There's a row of commercial generators. There are 8 generators on this side, and we have 9 more on the Arizona side. Our generators were installed over 25 years, from 1936 until 1961. Then, beginning in the 1980s, they were all upgraded over several years. That added 50% to their generating capacity. These generators are 70 feet tall, but we're seeing only the top 30 feet of each one. The rest of their machinery, including the turbines, is down below that floor. Upstairs at the museum in the visitor center, there are several exhibits that will let you see the inner workings of that machinery. On top of each one, there's a light that tells us whether the generator is operating or not. Right now, we see that 4 of those generators have their lights on. Each of those 4 is operating at this moment. There are also numbers and letters on those lights. We can see N2, N3. That stands for Nevada 2, Nevada 3. On the other side, we'd see A1, A2 for Arizona. Each of these generators produces up to 130 megawatts of electricity, and the total capacity for the entire power plant is 2,080 megawatts. That is enough electricity to give power to more than 1 billion.
No stalagmites. Oh, no stalactites.
But that won't be long. It's dry. It's still curing, as they say. Still getting stronger. Oops, over to the right, please. There's another, all of a sudden, the beaker is trying to go through. And that's what we do in our idea. Now, everyone, as you look at the rock walls here inside this tunnel, well, the white stuff we see, that is the same as what's on the lake shore. Water does seep through the rock. The rock is porous, that's why these gutters are here. And the white stuff is calcium carbonate. It's basically like a hard water deposit. And limestone. Limestone dissolves in water, and the water holds it in solution. And then when the water, well, when it evaporates, like it did here, or comes off, it leaves that deposit. Or up top, where you see the lakeshore, well, the water lowered and left that deposit. It's the same stuff that creates stalactites or stalagmites.
30,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon. These are cantilever towers designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out.
On the plate. Okay, let's go little run. Okay, my turn. Let's go high power. Lights, radio, TV, AC, high power demand. It goes down. Wait. Let's see what happens Let's see what happens when everything goes.
Just turn off on the lights.
Yeah, the lights.
I predict you'll turn on the lights.
Boom.
Yeah. Oh, jeez, you'll turn on the lights.
DVD place on any place in this tournament, but next year
I'm gonna win. But there's always another tournament, and we're gonna go.
alien. Parking for aliens only. You're an alien? Are you?
Make a U-turn, then turn right onto I-15 business.
Look at me. Get closer to it. Look at me now. There we go.
I did that because of the try.
It's aliens.
But this is a tube